Xiaomi recently launched its new flagship phone, the Xiaomi 15. It has super slim bezels, an LTPO OLED display, a unique bright silver color, a top-level processor, a big battery, and many other features. Today, I'll share the unboxing and first impressions of the Xiaomi 15 in bright silver, which has just been released. Hey guys, it's Maiky from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. This is the standard edition of the Xiaomi 15, but it's a special version, the bright silver edition. Let's remove the plastic wrap from the box. This bright silver version has a unique box design with the phone's branding and bright silver written in Chinese on the side. On top of the box, there's also a silver pattern. Inside, we find the accessories. A simple transparent case that has a large opening for the camera module, a 90-watt power adapter with a Type-A output, and a Type-C to Type-A data cable. Now, let's remove the plastic from the Xiaomi 15 and talk about its design and build. This is the shiny silver color. First of all, the back isn't flat. It has a water wave pattern combined with a glossy silver finish, giving it a look like water ripples. You can see different effects under indoor lighting, sunlight, and even inside a car. The back has a mirror-like finish, created with a unique process that gives it a distinct look. It's made from a single piece of glass, and the textures are made using a heat pressing technique. The phone's frame is made of aluminum alloy and uses a PVD process, giving it a shiny look that matches the back. This bright silver color stands out and is very eye-catching, though there are other color options as well. This time, the frame extends all the way around to the back on all four sides, giving it a more rounded feel when holding it in one hand compared to the previous generation. Compared to the previous generation, you can see a difference in the three-dimensional width, though the thickness and weight are about the same. This time, there's a big improvement with the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which unlocks the phone quickly. The phone also has an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. On the front, the bezels are even narrower than the previous generation. This time, the screen is protected by dragon crystal glass. The main camera hasn't changed, but the telephoto camera now uses Samsung's JN5 sensor, which can also capture macro shots. You can see sample photos here. Like the iPhone, this phone can capture moving pictures. The battery is larger than the previous generation, with a 5400 mAh capacity, and it supports 90 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging. So, that's the first impression of the Xiaomi 15 in bright silver. I'll be uploading a full review soon with detailed gaming, performance, camera, and battery tests, so stay tuned to our channel. What do you think about the Xiaomi 15? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more great tech videos. This is me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.